namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link, as well as the decks that I am using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today's Bigger Card readings topic is the unexpected, what you don't see coming. So that is going to be the topic for today. Remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. Okay, so I have three groups over here for you guys. So for group number one, we have this amethyst crystal. Beautiful. I just love this crystal. Okay, so for group number one, we have amethyst. For group number two, we have the pyrite. And for group number three, we have this snowflake obsidian crystal. Okay, so close your eyes, relax, connect to your intuition, and select a crystal that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so the timestamps will be listed in the description box. If you need more time, pause the video, relax, let go of, then select a pile and watch your reading. The timestamps will be in the description box. Okay, so I'm going to start with group number one. Hello group number one, if you have chosen this amethyst crystal, let's see the unexpected, what you don't see coming. Okay, so let's see. I have this oracle card. This is my new deck, the Sixth Sense Connection oracle cards. Okay, and then we have this tarot and the oracle cards. So yeah, I have just pulled out your cards today. So let's see your message, what you don't see coming, the unexpected. Oh, manipulation. And we have this amethyst crystal here. So it's like divine is telling, trust your gut feeling. Don't get into that thing. Maybe for some of you, your friends might manipulate you into doing something that you don't want to do. Okay, trust your feeling here. So someone, I feel like in your life there is someone who is behind the curtains playing something, doing something dirty. Maybe your co-workers trying to gossip about you. So the only thing, if you feel like, for some of you it's like this is just a warning for some of you to walk away from these kind of people. Or maybe someone is trying to manipulate you into doing something that you don't want to do it, and they are like trying to change it. Like, sometimes we feel like, oh, I'm not gonna do it, and they talk, the way they talk, we fall into it, right? So always trust that. So maybe this is just a warning from spirit, like there are some people who are not so good, who might try to do something behind your back. They might say something to you, and then it's like, for example, you're talking to this person might gossip about someone to you, and you might also tell something like that is secret. Okay, you might tell to this person, and what this person will do is like they will tell the other person that you told this, and they might try to make fight. Like, for example, like you're friends with someone, and this person will come and talk something about this friend, and you might also say something. And what happens then? This person will go and say that to that person, and then you two will fight. This person might try to create misunderstanding by their manipulation. So something like that is there. So I feel like the unexpected thing is, like, if this is happening in your life, I feel like this person will be out. You will know the truth and that you don't see. Okay, so yeah, and if it's your ex that is trying to come back into your life, walk away from them. Okay, that is also something. So maybe for some of you, they're your ex or someone who was manipulative, who you left. They might try to come, and what you need to do is to just run away from them. That's the message here. So don't when the people who manipulate, they have this great way of manipulating people. They know where to put that words. They know that. So just don't get into that. Don't get into that conversation. If they're calling you, don't pick up the phone, right? This is the message I'm getting from spirit. So don't get into it. So if you don't want to talk to this person, say no. Just don't get into the conversation, because they might try to manipulate you and like They might love bomb, I don't know what, like that kind of energy where they will love bomb you, or they will tell you that you're worthy and all. They do that gaslighting and all, I know that. So I just feel like that. So just run away when they are coming. I feel like that's the thing here. So don't get into the manipulation. Maybe for some of you it's your friend manipulating you into doing something that you don't want to do. So just don't do that. If you don't feel like it, don't do it. Okay, so that's something I'm getting. And we have the number 7, and 7 number reminds me of 7 of swords energy. So someone is playing dirty behind the curtains, and that truth is coming out and you don't see it. Or maybe they try to make you dirty and they are coming out, like people are understanding their true faces. That is also something happening, I'm getting. And this is a warning for some of you not to get into this manipulation. If a friend who had gossiped about you in the past, if they are trying to be very good and coming to your life back, don't take them back, because it is not good, because they are not going to change. Okay, so that's the confirmation here for some of you. Okay, and let's see what else we have. Okay, we'll start with 3 of swords. Look, 7 of swords. Yes, we have that 7 of swords energy, definitely. So this person is someone who has broken your heart in the past, so don't let them in. 6 of swords, you need to move forward. Yes. So the thing, okay, for some of you, if you are in a relationship with a narcissistic who is doing this to you, the unexpected thing is that you're getting your freedom, you're moving away from them. So maybe for some of you, you have already moved physically, but you're going to move mentally also from them. Okay, with this 3 of swords, 7 of swords, so someone is doing this cheating behind your back in a relationship. It made you so disappointed. Maybe your boss or co-workers, the friend you trusted, did you dirty. So you maybe emotionally, for some of you it's like emotionally you have that baggage, right? Mentally you're suffering from that right now also. The unexpected thing is that you're going to come out, because their face is coming out. The truth is coming out. People are seeing the truth. Sometimes what happens, the people who are like manipulative, who are narcissistic, what happens is they put all the blame to other people. They love to blame people. I have gone through that, and I know that they love to blame people. Everything will be our fault, nothing will be their fault. Interest, isn't it? So for you also, whatever you do is wrong. They try to put you down. They have gossiped about you, made lies. They talk lies. They lie to other people, and they make other people feel like that you are the one who is the problem. And finally what is happening is that what I feel like, for some of you, that cycle is breaking. And you know what the amazing thing is, I feel for you guys is like this person's face is coming out, and you're going to be feeling so good about it. You will feel so relaxed, you will feel like free, like a bird, because you had this you had this emotional attachment. You're cutting that coat, you're finally releasing yourself, you're finally feeling free. That's the thing. You're just cutting this person. So a friend, a co-worker, whoever has done you dirty, you're releasing them completely, and you're feeling free. You're getting your freedom, guys. You're getting your freedom. Now it's a new start. Wow, I'm loving this. And you are not seeing that yet, but this is going to happen. We have renewal. I'm getting the word renewal. Like she's like water, isn't it? This is the fairy pool baptism. It's like a renewal. It's like a new self, where you're cleansing yourself. You're letting go of all these toxic people, manipulative people from your life. And you're finally mentally, you're finally feeling so good. Sometimes because of others, who the people who manipulate us, they gaslight and make us feel like that we are not worthy. They do that. And for you guys, I think you have suffered that, and finally you're releasing yourself from all this manipulation, all these toxic people, and you're feeling light, you're feeling happy, you're feeling like you got the freedom. For some of you, if you were staying with this person, you're physically moving, you're moving to a different part of the world or different place, and you're feeling so happy. It's like a new birth for you guys. I understand that mentally. Sometimes when we live with these people, we put ourselves in a prison, right? Because we cannot express. They try to blame us. They will do things. It's like crazy, right? If you have gone through this, you know it, what I'm talking about. It's difficult, but finally you're releasing. and you're getting the freedom. Oh, I'm so happy for you guys. Yeah. Okay, we have this. Yeah, your perception about life is changing. You know, it's like flying. You're free now. You're like eagle. Now you're going to fly above all the obstacles. You're flying away from the you're flying away from this person. That's what I'm getting with this 3. And you have a different perspective about yourself. Now you understand what happened. You know, sometimes the manipulation might be so strong that you didn't even realize that you were right, you were not wrong, you thought that you were wrong. The manipulating the manipulation game was very strong, and finally you're getting out of the prison now. And that's the unexpected thing. So right now, maybe for some of you are in this situation, but you are going to come out of the situation. You're going to be free, you're going to be victorious, you will feel very light. And it's this new renewal I'm getting for you guys, new life. Yeah, change. Yeah, moving away, physical movement for some of you, mental movement for some of you. You have already moved away from this person, but you're now also thinking about this person. You are always, when you get up in the morning, you think about it, you cry, you suffer. Maybe for some of you, because of this person, you have anxiety issues, but finally you are releasing. Maybe for some of you, you're in depression because of these people, right? Because they have taken your peace of mind, but finally you're coming back together. Like you have been shattered. You were like cut into 1,000 pieces. Now what are you doing is like you're coming back together. All the 1,000 pieces are coming into the place, like, right? So that's what I'm getting for you guys. Yeah, changes, physical move, finally free from this toxic environment. It can be I'm getting this as manipulation, so it can be from a parent's house, it can be from your spouse, it can be from your partner, it can be from your friends, it can be from your co-workers. Different situation, but this is what is happening. You are feeling new, you're getting into a new life, and right now you cannot see that because you're not seeing the bigger picture. Right now you're feeling trapped, and you're getting your freedom, guys. Yes. Yeah, great fortune. Finally, it's like, yes, I'm so happy for you guys. It's like finally you are feeling like life is good, right? Because of other people, your life was a mess. They told you that you are not worthy and you believed it. They tried to gaslight you and question your own worth. Finally, you are loving yourself. You have been shattered. Now you're getting back together, and now it's like new relationship, new people, great fortune, happiness, blessings, divine is with you. Okay, so I'm very attracted to this 3 number also. Maybe for some of you it's important, this 3 number is also a connection with divine. So you're making a connection there, you're moving forward with your spirituality. That's why you're understanding it's not you, and yes, it's a new life. Oh, that's all guys. That's the message. Bye bye, take care. Number 2, if you have chosen this pirate stone, let's see what is the unexpected, what you don't see coming. So I have pulled out your tarot cards as well as some oracle cards. So let's see for group number 2, if you have chosen pirate. So let's start with this oracle card, and this is my new oracle deck, that is 6 Sense Connection oracle cards. I'm gonna keep this here. So let's start. So the first card is, wow, we have healer. We have 44 numbers, so maybe you are seeing lots of 4, 4, 4, and 4 is all about stability. So if you are trying to create stability for yourself, and if you don't know if it will happen or not, it is going to happen. You will be stable, you will be secure. I'm getting a very stable relationship also for some of you. If you're single right now, I feel like that you're healing your past. Maybe in the past you had relationship issues, you're healing that, and you're going to meet someone, or you have already met someone. This relationship is going to progress. Or if you are already in a very good connection, this will progress. Spend time with them. Okay, spend time with them, enjoy time together, talk to them, have heart-to-heart conversations. And for others of you, you are a healer. So maybe you don't know that right now, or maybe you know but you don't know the full picture, but you are a healer. For some of you, guided to do that, to heal other people. So maybe you're guided to learn Reiki, or you're guided to learn tarot, or motivational guidance to other people, or maybe you want to learn something herbs, related herbs, or you if you are into that, go and do it. That will be very good for you guys. And as well as if you want to get into medicine or nurse or something like that, if you feel called to do it, to serve humanity in some way, just go and do it, because that will be very good for you guys as well as for others also. So for some of you, I even feel like that the unexpected thing is that you have certain capabilities, you have certain abilities that you don't see it in you, now. Maybe I feel like you know little bit, like little bits and pieces, but it's going to expand. Your abilities are going to expand. And this card is also telling you to protect yourself. Okay, you're very sensitive, I feel like that. So you need to protect yourself, sage your home, protect your home, do some protection rituals. Yeah, do some protection rituals like saging your home, Palo Santo, incense, lighting candles, or maybe calling upon Archangel Michael. Maybe you work with Archangel Michael, so call upon him, like white light. Tell him to shield yourself, protect yourself using white light. Just envision this white light and protect yourself. So you need to do that. You need to have a spiritual practice every day. So before going, if you're going out of your house, it will be better that you protect yourself. Like do a white light meditation, or just for 5 minutes sit with yourself, place your hand on your heart and envision a white light, and that protects you, and then go out. Okay, because you're very sensitive to energy. So maybe there might be people who might try to take your energies, and you feel drained. When you go out, you feel very drained because they are taking your energy. So it's important that I feel like that's what spirit is saying here. You need to know how to protect your energies. Okay, so meditation, at least before going, whenever you're going out, just do a 5-minute, just close your eyes, heart-centered guided meditation. Do it, protect yourself. Okay, so that's something I'm getting very strongly, that you need to know right now. Okay, you are a healer, and definitely you have certain healing abilities that will help other people, and you don't even do, because we are like unexpected things. So maybe you know it a little bit, but you don't know how far you will go, okay, with your abilities. That's the thing. You don't, it's you don't know that you're very you're an old soul also, for some of you, I feel like. So this is my like literally spiritual pile I'm getting here. And yeah, you're amazing. You have these qualities, so work on it. If you want to take an online course, go for it, expand, because you have that talent. Okay, that's something you need to know right now. Oh wow, sorry. Okay, so let's start with the tarot now. Oh yeah, the Hanged Man. Of course, spiritual progress. Definitely I'm seeing spiritual, seeing things from a different perspective. Maybe for some of you, you're into runes. Okay, we have different rune symbols here. So yeah, it's like I'm getting here transformation for you guys. It's like you're connecting with your destiny, you're connecting with your life purpose. That's what I'm getting here. And look at the light. Yeah, there is a lot of light coming your way. So yeah, maybe for some of you are feeling stuck in your spiritual journey, you're feeling that things are not moving forward. It's because I feel like you need to see things from a different perspective. It's like when things don't move forward, just take a step back and see things from a beginner's mind. Be open-minded, and that's when you will move forward. It's like taking coming back to basics. I'm getting here. For some of you, need to do that. When you do that, things will definitely move forward. And this pause is good, I feel like, for you guys. Sometimes we need to have that pause. That's when we realize things from a different perspective. So yes, I feel like you're realizing things from a different perspective. yeah, look, this person is like upside down. So yeah, when we see things are different, right? When we are upside down, so yeah, you're seeing things from a different perspective. Right now things are a little bit slow, but it's for your own good. I feel like that's what spirit is saying. So you need to see things from a different perspective. It's for your own good. It's the thing that you need to learn. This is going to connect with your destiny, with your life purpose. So don't worry right now, because things will speed up for you guys. Okay, there is a whole perception change coming for you guys. The way you the way you see things right now is going to be entirely different the way you see things 1 year from now. Okay, so that's the thing. The way you see yourself now will be entirely different 1 year from now, the way you see yourself. So a lot of changes, a lot of expansion, spiritual growth is what is coming for you guys, and you don't see it yet now. Maybe for some of you have already gone through a lot of spiritual awakenings, because I feel like there is more to come. So don't be so hard on yourself. Relax. Whenever you feel like you don't need to work today, just relax, take a break. If it's possible, definitely if it's possible, you need to take that break. Yeah, but this pause is good. That's what spirit is saying. So don't worry. Yeah, you're going to move forward. You're going to move forward, okay, with this chariot energy. That's what I'm getting. Look, for some of you it's like you need to work on your shadow self, or maybe you're working on your shadow self. Sometimes we need to do that, right? Our shadow self, sometimes we feel like that we are this person. Because of the society, we feel like that, yeah, we are this person, we have to become like this person, we have to get married at this age, we have to kids by this age, right? We have so much things given to us because of our childhood. The way we are raised, we have so much of limited beliefs. So it's like you are letting go of that limited beliefs and then moving forward with your life, being 100% authentic. You're going to be very, very authentic. So there is a lot of shadow work that is happening for you guys. You're releasing the patterns that are not serving you in any way. Maybe for some of you stress a lot, you overthink. I feel like what you don't see that right now is that you're becoming more peaceful with yourself. You're understanding who you are. Yeah, you're understanding who you are. So when we know that who we are, no one can break us, right? No one can make us doubt. So you're going there. You're becoming very strong. You're becoming very courageous. So you need to help other people. So before helping other people, we need to be balanced, right? So that's the thing. Okay, so if things are a little slow, it's okay. It's for your own good. Everything is happening at the correct timing for you guys. There is no rush. Don't be so caught up in the time frame. That's what something I'm getting here. Yeah, definitely there is work happening. You're asking yourself, wow, the things it's very easy to blame others, and it's very hard to look inside and make the necessary changes. You're going to do that. Maybe many of you are doing that, and that's why and it's needed for you're connecting yourself with your destiny, and that's needed. That's why you need to work on your shadow self. You need to see the things that you do for the sake of other people, the things that you're not honest with yourself. Sometimes we are not honest with ourselves, like the deeper things. It's scary, right? Sometimes we wear a mask, and I feel what you're doing is like you're removing your mask. So that's why there is a pause, because it's important for your spiritual growth. Okay, so there is a lot of shadow work. If you're telling yourself, oh, I have been doing that shadow work for so long, but maybe there is more. Yeah, so yeah, I have it's like for me also, this message is for me also. Like, I have been doing that shadow works, but there is more to do, right? So sometimes we feel stuck. Sometimes we feel like, why we are not progressing? I have been putting so much effort, but maybe for some of us, like, I feel like we need fast progress, right? But this is going to be very slow and steady progress. So slow and steady wins the race, right? So be patient with yourself. I feel like spirit is making you patient. It's the lesson that you are learning right now, and I'm a very impatient person, and I myself is learning that. So I can relate to you guys. But but this is all for your highest good. You're going to move in a direction where you will be recognized for your efforts. So right now you're not saying that, you feel like no one will recognize my efforts, I'm just putting and putting out, no one is going to, I'm not going to reach my goals. No, 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 you will reach your goals. You will get the recognition. And for others, if you are planning to travel, if you're planning to move forward, relocate somewhere, if there is a pause, you what you don't see is like that will happen, the movement will happen, you will be able to travel. And it's more about learning. I'm getting learning, lot of learning you are going to do, a lot of deep knowing you will have that you don't see now. Okay, there is a lot of abilities, there are a lot of talents that you are going to uncover about yourself. You know little bit pieces right now, but you don't know the full picture, it's like coming out slowly. You're understanding yourself, the talents you have, so it's like coming out. I feel like it will come. Don't worry. Yeah, Three of Wands. It's like, I feel like with this Three of Wands energy, it's like you have already reached certain level of success. You have been changing yourself, you have been working on yourself. Maybe for some of you, you know that you are healers, you have been working, or even though you're not a healer, you are into spiritual work, you're protecting yourself, you're doing the work, you're trying to change yourself, you're journaling, you're letting go of your past, you're forgiving people. You have been doing the work. Yeah, you have been doing the work, but there's more to come. You have to learn more things, right? Sometimes we don't know, the universe knows more, right? So you don't know that. Be patient with yourself. That is the lesson you're learning, and that's what spirit is saying. And the unexpected thing that you don't see is that there is going to be like a lot of progression that will happen, and I feel like you don't know how much you are going to progress. The thing that you're aiming is like small, like spirit is saying, like the thing that you're aiming is like this much only, but there is so much big things coming your way, right? That's the thing. You're aiming for like you're aiming, for example, you're aiming for a small car, and what you will receive is a big car, like luxurious car. So that's just an example. That's what I'm getting here. Okay, yeah, King of Wands energy, definitely look, a lot of fiery energy. We have Three of Wands, King of Wands. For some of you, your relationship, okay, for some of you it's a relationship that's not happening. You're single and you want to move forward, you want to get into a relationship, you want to have a good relationship, you want to be mothers, fathers, okay, that is also thing. And you're like, why this is not happening, why I'm single? Like for some of you, if you are single, that's a specific message. For some of you, if you're single, but that's coming, that person is coming, the person who will lift you up, like this person. Like sometimes we feel like that, why this is not happening, but spirit has a plan for us. Remember that spirit has a plan for you guys, and this person is worth waiting for. That's what I'm getting. This person is worth waiting for. This person, when you will meet this person, I feel you will click very quickly and things will progress very fast. So you are hoping for a person, like the person you're desiring right now. The spirit is saying you don't have to fit in, right, with someone. Like for the sake of marrying, don't marry. Like, because this person is worth waiting for. That's what I'm getting. This person is going to be very strong. Maybe person is a fire sign, but they will be financially very stable. They will be emotionally very stable. They will protect you. So the relationship will be very strong. Okay. And for others, if you want to start a business, if you have a business, that's going to grow. Maybe the growth of your business is very slow, you don't see it, and maybe you're just planning to have a small business, but spirit is like planning big for you. That is the unexpected. So yeah, it might take time, guys, it might take time, but you will be very happy that yes, I did that thing. I worked on myself. You will be very proud of yourself, okay? And you will understand that you're the lions. You're not the sheep. You're the lions, and so you're going to be the most powerful people. It's not that sometimes you feel like the powerful. Sorry, what I'm saying. Powerful people control others, right? No, you are not going to control others. You're just going to guide others, right? There is difference between control and guiding people, right? So I feel like you're going to guide others, you're going to motivate others, and you are going to understand yourself. more and more and more. You're understanding yourself more and more and more. You feel like that I have understood myself, I know about myself who I am, you know, that you're feeling like that, and spirit is like, no, 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 you just have a half picture. Now more, there is more to come. There is a Hindi word for like picture to abhi baki hai mere dost, like that's what I'm getting here. The film is yet to be. You're like, there is more to come, right? So let's see. Yeah, season of the haunted heart, it's about your shadow side that you're working on. Yeah, that's the thing, you need to work. Sometimes we feel like that we know things, we have changed, but there is more, you need to work on your shadow side. Okay, so yeah, it's like connecting with your true self, truest self. So maybe there is you're not right now also, you're not connected to your truest self. So maybe you feel like you are, but you have been doing that work, but there is more to come. And interestingly, look, we have the number 7 again. So 7 number might be important. 7 number is also a very lucky number, right? So financially also, I feel like there is a lot of growth for you guys. So there is more to you are here to uncover more and more and more things about yourself. You're going to be very authentic. You're going to do only the things that are 100% authentic to you guys. Right now you feel like that you're authentic, but there is more to come. Spirit knows more. Okay, so there is something more that will come. So something more you will uncover about yourself, the talents that you're not seeing right now. Okay, oh, then we have this Ace of Wands, and we have this Two of Cups. So and I'm getting this good luck for you guys. A lot of good luck is coming your way. So so this pause, you know, right now you don't feel like this pause is a good thing, but this is a very good thing. That's what spirit is saying, and you are not saying it. A lot of peace, a lot of calmness is coming your way, and something new is definitely coming. For some of you, this can be a new person, because we have Ace of Clubs. This person will be very peaceful, calm, and for some of you, you might marry this person. So there is there is marriage, there is union. And for others, this can be a business partnership, and through business partnership you might grow together. So you are meeting someone who you can vibe with. Look, there is a soulmate energy I'm getting. So this person will lift you up, you will lift them. It's like your energies are same, the way you think are same, you're on the same vibration. So you're meeting someone who is on the same vibration. And yeah, if you don't have friends, I feel like that spirit is you're manifesting a friend, I feel like, or a lover or a partner. And for others, for some of you, yes, this relationship will lead to marriage. This might be someone like you're waiting for this. I feel like for some of you haven't met this person yet. Yeah, I'm feeling like you haven't met this person. This will come. This is this person, you're going to meet this person very soon though, but you haven't met. Okay, so yeah, they are coming. So that's unexpected, and this person will bring a lot of peace and calmness to your life. Marriage, good luck. They will be very like they will be lucky charm for you guys. For others, this can be a business partnership who will be lucky charm, like with the help of them, you and both of you will grow. That's something I'm getting. And yeah, a lot of good luck is coming your way, guys. So let's see. Oh wow, we have false person and lovers. So I feel like, it's like you're letting go of that shadow self work I was talking about. The person we are not, you're removing the mask, becoming your authentic self. So this is a journey, that's why there is a pause, I feel like. And you feel like why things are not progressing, because you need to know who you are completely. I feel like you have done a lot of work, but there is more to do. So it's like you are removing the mask, you're understanding yourself, and things are going to be beautiful for you guys. Because with this lovers, what I feel like, look, there is a lot of love. For some of you, this is about self-love. You're removing the mask, you're loving yourself, you're taking care of yourself, and that's the thing. And you have been doing it, but there is more to come. You have to do more. You have to change a lot of things. The things that you're not happy with, you need to change that. You're working. There is a lot of shadow work here for you guys. And for others, this person might be very creative person, or maybe you're collaborating with someone who is very creative, and that will through this collaboration you both will get a very good outcome. So it can be a good business outcome, good financially you will have a good outcome. And relationship wise also, this person might be into creatives, maybe this person can be an actor also. For some of you, that's just a clue, maybe an actor, or maybe into maybe an artist, maybe they like to do plays. Yeah, for some of you that's a very specific message. Someone who is like who likes to dress up, dress up, singing, doing things. So yeah, for some of you there is this person coming, and definitely this is your soulmate. So that's just a clue for some of you, and that's the unexpected. So yeah, things are going to be very positive for you guys. So if you feel like things are not positive right now, you're feeling stuck, but this thing, if you have this stuck feeling, if you're feeling you're not moving forward, you're not progressing the way you want to progress in your life, hold on there, because this thing is a blessing for you guys. Okay, so yes, sometimes we feel like why things are bad, why I'm not moving forward, but it's like a blessing in disguise for you guys. Just it's a way of spirit protecting you, and there is going to be beautiful outcomes coming your way. So your hard work is definitely going to pay off, that you're not seeing right now. And by summertime, I'm getting by summertime, maybe you will meet this person. Okay, that's I'm getting by summertime, or by summertime your goal that you have a goal, and you are going to reach that goal by summertime. And the outcome will be much better than you expected. That's the thing. Okay, so that's it for my lovelies. Bye bye. Hello, group number 3. If you have chosen the Snowflake Obsidian, let's see what is your message, the unexpected, what you don't see coming. Okay, so I have drawn this. This is from my new deck, Oracle card 6 Sense Connection Oracle decks, and then we have these tarot cards and oracle cards that we will see later. So let's start with through this card. Okay, so what do you maybe for some of you, Capricorn, I'm getting. So maybe you're stressed about your work or something like that, or maybe you have you don't have a job yet. Maybe you're stressing about it. Maybe you don't know where to go. You're feeling very void. Trust in the magic, trust in the unknown. That's what I'm getting the message here. And then we have confusion. Yeah, so very confused energy, don't know what to do, where to go. Sometimes we feel like that in our life. So here spirit is saying it's just a temporary phase, it's not going to be permanent, right? This is going to change, this is going to shift. Right now you're not seeing it because you're just focusing on that. When we focus on when we focus on the things that are not working, we could get confused, we get irritated, we get stressed. So right now what spirit is saying you is to take a step back, go out in nature, connect with nature, connect with Mother Earth. You need to change your energy, you need to change your vibration. That's very important right now. And when you shift that is when you will, when our inner shift, that's when the outer shifts. So if you feel very confused, if you feel stressed, inside, that's what it's going to manifest outside. So that's very strong. So if you feel very confused about your relationship, if you feel why this is happening, if you feel very stressed, if you look at the negatives, and if you feel very confused, that confusion is only going to manifest. So that's why spirit is here. Spirit is telling you there is something that you don't know. Trust in the unknown. It's like for you, that's the message. You're strong. Trust in the unknown. There is something that you don't know right now because you're stressing. You're just seeing a small view. Like the universe has so much wisdom, but you right now you have only you have a limited view right now. You're not seeing the bigger picture. So that's why step back, take a step back, connect with nature, connect with Mother Earth, Gaia, ground your energy. I feel like you're not at all grounded. So yeah, that's what spirit is telling. And when you let go of these things, when you take a step back, when you relax, that's when you will get your answers. Okay, then the next steps will be given. You will understand what you need to do next. Okay, yeah, we have 28, 8 plus 2, 10. It's like, yes, this will end when you don't feel like shit. Like when you will be feeling balanced, that is when the outer will change. I'm getting it's up to you. I don't know, that's what the message is coming. It's up to you. When you change your inside, the outer will shift. Let's see what else. Knight of Swords, Hermit, yes, you need to take a step back. 10 of Cups, and look, we have Ace of Cups. That's what Spirit is telling you. You need to trust in the unknown right now. You don't, sometimes we see things like we have, I told you, as we have only one view. Universe knows so much more than us. We feel like that, oh, this is not working, and we just think that, oh my god, this is not working, now my life is gone, and we over stress about it. With this Knight of Swords energy, I'm getting that you are for some of you, this is also a message not to take decisions impulsively. Like when we are confused, don't make a decision. When we are angry, don't make a decision. When we are sad, don't make a decision. When we are happy, don't make a decision. So when you need to make a decision is when you're calm, when you're peaceful, when you're not stressed, when you know what's right for you. That is when you need to make a decision. Don't make a decision because you feel like everything will fall apart, because you feel like nothing will work for you guys. At that time, don't make decision. You have to take a step back. It's not the time to run, it's time to step back, relax, connect with yourself, change your interior, internal work you need to do. You need to get into this peaceful energy, and after that only make a new decision. So that's something I'm getting here with this Hermit. Again, we have this 9 number, 10 number. It's all about connecting with yourself. It's about to gain that wisdom. It's about doing that inner work. Yeah, when you do that, you will find the light at the end of the tunnel, right? So if right now I feel like you're very confused and you don't know where to go, you're feeling very void, you're feeling what will happen about your future, you're very stressful right now, there might be a tendency to make decisions very quickly, and this decision will not be in your favor if you make in a confused state. So that's why Spirit is telling you to let go of that, sit with yourself, change your inner, and when you change yourself, your inner, when you feel relaxed, when you feel good, when you change it from inside, that is when you will see it outside. Okay, that's the thing. And Spirit is telling you to trust in the magic, trust in the unknown, have faith. And at this time, I know it's very difficult for you guys, but Spirit is telling you to do that, right? Maybe it's about your work. So don't make certain decisions that will not be beneficial for you guys. Don't without thinking, don't make a decision. That's something that's very strongly coming here. Don't make a decision without thinking, and because you might regret it later. Okay, so for some of you, it's a time of studying also. I'm getting you need to take a break, go out, sit in a place where you feel very calm, or maybe go to a place where there is nature, sit there, relax, find your inner spiritual source, like connect with your inner heart center. That's the thing. And when you do it, that's when things will move forward for you guys. With this, look at it, we have 10 of Cups, happiness, emotional fulfillment, and with this Ace of Cups, new energies are coming your way. For some of you, maybe you're stressing about your family. So it's like, take a step back, don't stress, everything will be all right. So if there are family problems in your life, if you're fighting with your person, or if there is some sort of family issues going on, I feel like Spirit is telling you to trust in the unknown and have faith, because everything is going to be resolved. With this 10 of Cups, look, the family is together, right? So maybe right now you're feeling very lonely. Right now you don't know what to do. Right now you don't have that solution. So when you gather yourself, when you connect with yourself, that is when you will be able to trust your intuition. That is when you will be able to listen to your heart. When you're in this confused feeling, when you're stressed, what you will listen? You will only listen to your fear. You will not trust. You will not trust in the magic of the unknown. You will not trust the universe. So you need to let go, relax, gather yourself, maybe pack a bag, go somewhere, if it's possible, go somewhere where you can spend some time with yourself, or lock the door, sit with yourself, listen to good music, connect with yourself, or maybe sleep for some time. I don't know why Spirit is saying, like, sleep, don't stress like this. Okay, So because you're very worried about your future, or you're very worried about certain things, about your family, about your health of your family, so don't do that. Okay, so relax, let go, come to yourself, come to yourself, and then you will get the answers. You will get it. That's that you don't know that. You don't feel like you will get answers. You feel like there is nothing, nothing. This will be the same thing. Nothing will change. No, no. Things will change. Everything will come together with this 10 of cups. You will feel emotionally satisfied, because for me 10 of cups is full emotional satisfaction. Like you're feeling happy, you're feeling satisfied. And we have two cups, 10 of cups, ace of cups, and this is the knight of swords energy. Knight of swords, a lot of thinking, a lot of stress, doing things impulsively, not thinking before doing anything, because you're so stressed, you're so confused, right? And with this hermit card, what you need to do is like get back to yourself, ground your energy, think, connect with yourself, and then you will get the creative solution. And then you will get, yeah, I can do this. Yeah, nothing has fallen apart. I can make it happen. I can rebuild things, and then you can move forward, right? So that's what spirit is saying right now. And you're not seeing that right now. What you're not seeing is like things will not come together, but spirit is saying trust in the magic of the unknown. Things are going to come. For some of you, emotionally feeling good. Maybe it can be like you feel like you're not worthy, you will never get into a relationship. You will get into a relationship that will make you satisfied. For some of you, you're worrying about your home, whether I'll be able to get a new home. Yes, you will get this new feeling, new emotions, where you're feeling good. Divine is with you. Okay, trust in the magic of the unknown. That's what spirit is saying. Trust, believe in yourself. And look, we have season of the 13th moon, and this is also about that only, like let go of things, connect with nature. Sometimes we feel that void energy, we feel like, where I am going, why my life is like this. And when we think about it, oh, why my life is very bad, you're saying constantly, my life is very bad, my life is very bad, and what happens? That is going to manifest. So you need to let go of that energy, right? And say some positive affirmations, or talk to someone who will give you that positivity right now. Okay, yeah, if you're feeling like you cannot do it by yourself, talk to someone, get help, get support. Don't try to do everything by yourself. Okay, come back to yourself. That's what the spirit is saying. So yeah, sometimes we don't know everything, we don't know where our future is. So you're worried about your future, you're worried about your family, you're worried about your career, you're worried about your relationship. You don't know what is going to happen in your future, and you're stressing about it because you're picturing the worst case scenarios. We as human do that stupid thing, right? I'm sorry to say that, but I used to do it, but now I'm like cutting back on it, because I'm like literally an overthinker. And now I have changed so much, because I don't overthink that much, because through meditation, because when you're aware, you don't do that. I used to do that. I can relate to you guys. I used to make worst case scenarios. Oh my god, if there was a challenge in my life, I will like make that worst case scenario. I'll put myself in that mental prison, and then I'll struggle. But now I don't do that, right? I'm like, yeah, okay, I'll just put it to spirit. I'll just like, okay, everything will be okay. I just have that positive attitude towards things, and it's good. You don't suffer, because when we do that, we suffer a lot. So that's a message. I have also gone through. I'm not judging you, because I have done that. I have been doing that for so long. Now only I'm like changing myself, and you can do it. Okay, and it's difficult. I know it will take a lot of work, because I know that. And yes, with the 7 of cups, you're protected. I have to say that you're very protected. Spirit is protecting you. Spirit is saying that you're protected. And then we have we have a Knight of Wands energy, and then we have Knight of Swords. So you want movement, you want progression, you want fast progression, but that is not happening for you guys. And that's why for some of you, it's like you're very stressed, okay, because of the way you want to progress. It's not happening. Maybe you want this post, it's not happening. You're feeling confused. I have been doing this much, I have been doing this much. Why they are saying that it is not possible? The way you want things is not happening, so you're stressing. But spirit is saying you're protected, everything will happen, but just come back together. So you need to work on your overthinking things. I feel like you need to work on that. That's what spirit is saying. And believe, have faith. Magic. Yeah. Oh, look, wow. Sometimes we feel like that. Again, we have 10 of cups and community here. With this family room, what I'm thinking is like things are coming together in your family. So if there is something related to your family issues, things will resolve very soon. You're not seeing that. So maybe for some of you, it's about your family. It's about your community. Yeah, where there is arguments, maybe in your family there are arguments, maybe if you have a partner, there is problem with your children, there are problem, and you're feeling that nothing will resolve. And spirit is saying trust in the unknown, trust in the magic of unknown, because things are going to come together. Because we have 10 of cups here and we have community here. Interesting, isn't it? So you're going to get support from your community, you're getting support from your parents, support from the communities. Like-minded people are supporting you. So maybe for some of you, you need to ask for help. Okay, so when you're confused, ask for help. There is someone who can guide you. Also, that is also I'm getting here, and you don't know that. You're trying to do everything by yourself. You don't have to do everything by yourself. Also, there are people who will support you in this thing. Okay, and I'm getting, for some of you, if there have been family problems, the thing is like the family problems will be resolved, people will come together, there will be love, there will be happiness, there will be maybe for some of you there is like an unexpected party or something, or unexpected celebration that is coming your way. Okay, that you don't see it. And with this Ace of Cups, look, we have family room also, isn't it? So yeah, for some of you, new house, maybe yeah, like in the family room, everyone is spending time together, everyone is talking, everyone is drinking tea, happy times. So yeah, that's something I'm getting. Family bonding with your family, resolving family issues. So right now, give it to the divine, trust in the unknown, because you will see the magic unfold. That's your message. And yes, there is a lot of support, there is a lot of help that is coming your way. There are people who will support. Sometimes we feel like that no one will support us, our family will not support us, so we make assumptions, a lot of assumptions. I feel like you are making that worst case scenarios, you're imagining that worst case scenarios. Don't do that, don't imagine that. What you need to imagine is the good scenarios, right? So change that negative things into positive things. That's the message from spirit for you guys right now. Bye bye, take care.